Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to make the lemon caviar at home. For this recipe you need the 200 ml of lemon juice and 20 gram of chopped parsley. Everything you have to blend it and strain guys, then you have to transfer in the cooking pot. I am adding here 2 gram of agar agar. It is very easy technique, you can make the sweet or savory caviar at home. Hope you gonna like it, so let's do it. Everything mixing after we will transfer in the squeezy bottle. Just don't forget to keep the neutral oil in the freezer before you start this recipe. If you want the best result, just make sure the oil is very cold and you are using per 100 gram 1 gram agar agar. But if you understand how to do it, you can make any caviar as per your flavor. So make sure first thing you have to do whenever you start this recipe, just make your oil super cold. If the oil is not super cold, the technique will not work properly. You can really adjust this recipe with different flavor, different vegetable like cucumber, tomato, balsamic, any flavor you like. It depends how you like to use your spares. In the dessert, in the main course, in the sweets, in the starter, you can always adjust the flavor. So the last step is guys, you need to strain and rinse in the water and keep it in a bowl with the cold water. So you can use it for the meantime, for the whenever you want. Thank you for watching guys.